Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pippit AI to generate AI talking photo that you can upload any photo and it is going to talk directly. So you can just add what you want the photo to talk about. Okay, so you have to log in to access this. You come to pippit.ai and you have this much different options. So what you can do, what you can create with the AI tool, you can do marketing video, avatar video, AI talking photo, and AI design, product photo, and product showcase. But for today, we're going to talk about the AI talking photo. So this is going to be, you can just click on this and it's just going to give you some seconds to open and then you can continue. So let's say these are the steps. You upload a photo, add a voiceover, and export directly. So these are some samples of different photos that you can have a preview of. People are meant to talk. So let's go ahead and add some photo to this. Let's say I have this man and I need it to talk. All right, so let's upload this. And you can specify the sizing, you can rotate, you can crop, and once you're done, you say okay to this. So once you're okay with this, you can go ahead and click on this checkbox and go ahead and say next. Now this is where you paste in your text. Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe. You can upload an audio also if you don't want it to use text. You can change language and you can change the voice type. Okay, so from here you can change which of the voices that you want to use. You can pre-play to have a preview. So let's say we'll go with Derek.
Welcome to Pippit.
Okay, so let's say we'll go with Derek, and then you can go ahead and add a pause to the script. But I want to, on the work to show captions, you can enable also from here. You can enable the captions if you want to add the captions directly. So you can see different types of captions that are preview to have. And if you are okay, you can just come over, click on save, and you can add different types of captions after saving. Let's say we'll go with something like this. It's quite simple, and then we can go ahead and say export and specify with watermark or without watermark. These are recommendations. You can keep everything at default and go ahead and click on download. You can define the name of the video from here, and then it gives you some seconds to finish the download to have a preview of what you have created. All right, and take a look at what it has created. So let's play to have a preview.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe.
I think this is fantastic and very nice. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.